Real-world big data applications in the energy sector. Predictive maintenance for energy equipment. In the energy industry, downtime can cause huge financial losses and inefficiencies. Big data enables predictive maintenance. It does this by analyzing data from sensors in machinery and infrastructure. These sensors collect real-time information about temperature, pressure, vibration, and other critical parameters. Advanced analytics and machine learning models find patterns. They predict equipment failures before they occur. Optimizing energy production and distribution. Energy production and distribution are complex processes that require balancing supply and demand. Big data analytics plays a crucial role in optimizing these processes. Energy companies can use historical and real-time data. Enhancing renewable energy integration. The shift to renewable energy sources, like solar and wind, has challenges. They are variable and unpredictable. Big data helps by improving forecasts and enabling smarter energy use. Energy efficiency and smart homes. Big data has revolutionized the way consumers interact with energy. Smart home tech, powered by IoT and big data, lets homeowners monitor and optimize energy use. Devices like smart thermostats and energy-efficient appliances collect usage data. Improving energy trading and market operations. Energy trading involves buying and selling energy on wholesale markets. It requires accurate forecasts of demand and prices. Big data analytics helps energy traders find insights. It analyzes market trends, weather, and geopolitical events. Reducing carbon emissions and environmental impact. The energy sector is a major contributor to global carbon emissions. Big data analytics helps reduce environmental impact. It does this by finding inefficiencies and promoting cleaner energy sources. Conclusion. In conclusion, big data is changing the energy sector. It is driving efficiency, boosting sustainability, and enabling innovation. Big data is solving some of the industry's biggest challenges.